Hey everybody, it's Jason with All-Star Welding, back at you with another exciting video. So it's Thanksgiving Day, and of course I'm at the shop working because I don't have a life. But I wanted to give thanks to all of my subscribers and my viewers, and the best way that I can think of doing that is giving away another Titanium Flux Core 125 welding machine. Now, in the interest of full disclosure, I do want to let you know that I purchased these machines myself. I'm not being sponsored by Harbor Freight, by YouTube, or by anybody else. That's right, this is my third giveaway of this fantastic Titanium Flux Core 125 welding machine that can be purchased at Harbor Freight. But I purchased this to give away to you. And I'm going to cut a little slit in the top of the box, and I'm going to put the receipt in there. And I did buy the 1-year extended warranty. So if you win it, open the box, make sure you pull out that receipt and put it away somewhere safe. So YouTube says that on my giveaways I have to state what the official rules are. So the official rules are pretty simple. You have to subscribe to this channel, and on this video you have to hit that thumbs up and like the video. And in the comments down below, you have to leave a comment that says subscribed and liked. And it'd be nice if you gave us a couple of words about what you would do with the machine if you won it. So on December 15th, I'll have the drawing, and I'll use a random subscriber picker app, just like I've done with the other two giveaways. And if you're the lucky winner, this could be yours. All you have to do is get in touch with me. I'll mail it out the very next morning, and maybe this can be sitting under your tree for Christmas. Good luck, thank you for watching, and have a great Thanksgiving.